Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into something that every mascara lover dreams of: long, voluminous lashes that don't weigh you down. If you're tired of mascaras that claim big things but fall short, keep watching because I'm reviewing the Benefit Theyre Real Magnet Extreme Lengthening Mascara. This one promises to give you extreme length, fullness, and lift. So let's see if it can live up to the hype. The Benefit Theyre Real Magnet Mascara is designed to give your lashes intense volume and extreme length. What sets this apart from the crowd is its lightweight, flexible formula that's easy to build up for that perfect, fuller lash look. It's also designed to give your lashes a powerful lift without that heavy or clumpy feel that many mascaras tend to leave behind. The packaging is sleek with the signature Benefit metallic tube, and the wand features a unique, magnetically charged tip that helps to lift and separate the lashes for a fanned-out effect. The mascara itself has a smooth, buildable consistency that glides on easily, and the formula claims to last without flaking or smudging. Now, I have to say that when I first tried this mascara, I was really impressed with how easily it built up. It's not one of those mascaras where you need to apply coat after coat to get visible results. The brush gives a great separation, and even after a couple of layers, my lashes didn't feel heavy. They felt lifted, separated, and super long, without that clumpy spider leg effect some mascaras give. However, there were a couple of things I noticed after wearing it for a few hours. While the lift and length were definitely impressive, I did notice some slight flaking by the end of the day, especially if I rubbed my eyes a little bit. It wasn't a deal breaker, but definitely worth noting if you're looking for something that stays in place all day long. Now, the price point is higher than your average drugstore mascara, but let's talk value for money. If you're someone who loves high-performance mascaras, and you're willing to invest in a product that promises extreme length and lift without being heavy, this might be worth the splurge. The formula's buildability and the lengthening effect are definitely its strong suits, though if you're looking for something more smudge-proof, you might want to explore alternatives. Speaking of alternatives, if you're on the hunt for a mascara that delivers similar results, but at a lower price, I recommend checking out the Maybelline Lash Sensational Sky High Mascara. It's a fantastic option if you want great length and lift without breaking the bank. Overall, I think the Benefit Theyre Real Magnet Mascara is a solid choice for anyone looking to give their lashes extreme length and lift. It works best if you don't mind a little touch-up throughout the day and are okay with investing a bit more in a mascara that's going to perform. If you're intrigued, the link to purchase is in the comments. And if you've tried this mascara before, I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.